Cater and I drove down today from the cottage to the Gilmore Car Museum for Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals at the Gilmore. I was hoping to bring the Hornet to this, but after Power Tour, not getting the car done, not to say I'm burned out on it, but just needed a week to relax and hang out with the kids. We did a lot of skiing and wakeboarding and water stuff, so we're just gonna check out some cars, make a video, and see Papa. This is cool.
79 Trans Am. I was probably working next door to AMC.
Oh, now that one's cool.
Not bad, because
Don't give me a review.
My talk to you, I bought a radio from you. You said you had some. I just needed a radio.
What's your favorite so far?
ooh, I don't know.
Yeah, that's spare tires.
This red one's pretty cool. Honey Challenger.
It's kind of like LumaFusion. It's kind of like
I love this car.
beige. It's extremely dark.
It's because it's the rarest. We had this bike on the roof for Power Tour in 2020 or 2019. This bike on the roof for Power Tour this year, and that one on the roof for Power Tour this year as well. This is still my favorite bike out of our collection. I love it. That seat and the purple are just too cool. Original paint, unrestored. How wild is this? This thing is nuts. From 1924, baby.
Wood from Harry Potter. We'll drive in that car and be like, I wonder if they bought it.
I like that color. Kate is not a fan of it. Very good. How are you?
Good.
No way, Jose.
I did it in one of your videos.
Yeah, my yelled at me.
Michigan.
So cool.
Founder of the stranger. Originally from Grayling, Michigan, now living in Alpena, Michigan, Andy Perry, guitar and vocals.
My kids, the guy's name, the reservation shop. It's like, you don't take your part to put it together. I can't remember. I met him. I was not his name. Oh.
That's how I like want to do everything, like golf or anything. Just do the whack it one time, big, yep, go fast. Thank you.
This is killer. 73 Charger with a factory sunroof. White on white on white.
Hobos. Adriana will be signing autographs and post.
Are you looking at your shadow? Four speeds.
All the experts
This is one of my favorite cars in the whole world.